Hello, guys. Welcome back to Investing 101 or Investing in Stock 101. We already saw the introduction. My name is Cesar, as you know. I am an investor. I'm teaching this as an investment class. Okay, that's practical. We're not teaching this as a school is teaching. We look at the essential. That way, you can understand stock. If you already know that, you can understand it better and then use it. That's why we're doing this class. So today we're talking about what is a stock, and let's go and see what a stock is. What is a stock? Okay, so a stock is a partial ownership of a company. It is also called a share or a stock. We already established that it is buying a piece of a company. When you become part owner of the company, you own every share, you own every profit, you own everything about the company. So all the equipment, you are part owner. So what we need to do is to find a way to be owners, not really employee. We can be employee and owner at the same time, which is great. But ownership, when you own a stock, that's pay your dividend year in, month, every quarter, quarter in and quarter out. So you have a possibility to grow your money, make your money work for you without you doing anything. As a shareholder, you have a claim on the future earnings and the asset of the company. So you need to understand how important that is. So if you own, for example, Apple, every time Apple sell a cell phone, you have a piece of it. 1 cent, 2 cent, half a cent. That's important. So if you have many of it, when they sell, you make money. So most company start private. When a company is private, the shares are held by the owner, by the private owners. The owners keep their share, and the company is not obligated to publish its financial record to us, the public. Okay, so if it's a private company, I can only work in it. Then I can become a supervisor, manager, and all that. Okay, I can become CEO and one the thing, but I'm working for somebody else. So if we look at an example, this company ABC has three owners. Three people get together, they start the company. Many companies start like that, so we need to know that. ABC company, they only have one product. They do plastic cups. That's a simple company, three owners, and then they do plastic cup. So this is a quick example of a private company. So we're gonna go to see what is a public company. Most company starts private. Okay, most companies start private. In the course of time, majority of companies goes public, right? Majority of private companies, they goes public with an initial public offering. You hear that a lot. IPO. The IPO are perfect ways for companies to raise money. What they do, they selling, right? That's what they do by selling ownership stakes to grow the company. We saw ABC company earlier. They have one product. So now the ABC company, they need to grow. They need to add to the product line. So what did they do? They go in the market. Okay, ABC company want to add two more products. They want to have add a Ziploc bags, plastic, and the paper plates. They want to add this to their portfolio of products. So what do they need? They need capital. They go in the market. As you can see, they sell some ownership stakes at the company. So they sell 20,500 stock, as you can see, at $10 each for 55% ownership. So the three guys get together, they sell 55% ownership of the company. They own the rest. They own the 45%. So they raise a total of and 200,000, right? 200,500 dollars. Okay, that's a mouthful. $200,500. So they raise by selling 20,500 stocks at $10 a share, and they sell 55%. So if you are one of these people who buy 500 or 2,000, when the company now you own everything that the company own now. Okay, when they make money, when they create the plate, they create the zigzag. Every time they sell, if they make profit, now this is where you're gonna start making money. And then what happened once they do the initial public offering? Now they are a public company. Anybody come back and buy stocks. As the company grow and get better, what happened? The stock of the company appreciate. We'll see that as well when we're talking about ways to make money in stock. So here is a quick review. We saw that we have private company and public company, and then stock is an ownership piece of the company when we buy it. So a company XYZ need money to grow. They offer an IPO. Now you already know what IPO is. Initial public offering. The first time they take the company private, from private to public. People in the public, you and I, investors, we have the possibility to go buy that company. They sell the share to us, and then what happened? We know we review the company is in good standing. So what happened? We said, I have some extra money. I can handle some risk. We don't know what's gonna happen when they create two more products. If that's gonna sell, we don't know. But there is possibility for it to to do well. So we buy the shares. We expect return. Okay, dividend is when the company share the profit with the owners. So that's dividend. But also you can get appreciation as well. We'll see that later. So you see, so initial public offering is for a way for private company to go public and then invite investors to come and buy the share of the company, buy the stock of the company, so they can become part owner. Now, once they become part owner, they own the company, and they have a claim against the profit and also all the asset that the company own. So you give up, the company give up some share, some ownership, and they receive cash. The investor give up cash and they receive ownership in return. So you see, that's how the whole process work. So again, thank you for joining me for what is a stock. Next time in the next lecture, we'll be talking about type of stocks. In the meanwhile, go any internet, start searching, find 10 stocks that you know about, 10 companies you know about. You can find two or three private companies in your own neighborhood, in a local gas station, local pizza place. Those are private. So go to the internet, find 10 public companies to see what the share are selling. Okay, so I'll see you next time in the next video.